Welcome, I'm Bev Adams. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I'm using a stamp set from Sale-a-Bration. The Sale-a-Bration brochure is full of things that you can get for free with a qualifying order. You cannot buy any of these products. And I am using Epic Celebrations that you can get with a $50 order. It would look great with these designer series papers. Unfortunately, I didn't get any of those yet. When I saw this stamp set, I thought of my granddaughter who loves to wear this style of shoe. I will also be using window shopping. I loved this happy birthday and it looked like it would go great with Epic Celebrations. My card base is a piece of 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have a piece of Very Vanilla, 5 1/4 by 4 for the inside. A piece of Bundle of Love Specialty DSP, that's also the same size for the front. A piece of gold foil, 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. A piece of Very Vanilla, 2 1/2 by 4, that will layer inside. And a scrap of Real Red. I'm using the basic black archival stamping pad, but you could also use Memento ink for this. I'm going to stamp the shoes on here. And while I've got that stamp pad out, I'll stamp Happy Birthday. And here's to an Epic Celebration in the upper left corner. I would like to bring in my watercolor pencils. I'm actually stealing this idea from the sample here to color in the white. I thought it was a wonderful idea. So I'm going to take up their idea and just color this in. And I'm going to quickly cut this out. I'm going to leave a fairly large border just to make life easier. That's especially easy when it comes down to the shoelaces. Not too difficult. And so really, I think all it is a matter of putting it together. So I put my inside on the inside. Leaving a fairly even border. Put my front on the front. A piece of gold foil, complete with a piece of dog fur. She will love that if she discovers it. I'm actually going to leave this flat. I could have popped up that gold with dimensionals, but I'm going to pop up the shoes. And I think I really like that. It was so quick and easy. Here's to an Epic Celebration. Happy birthday. If you would like to get this stamp set, just put in an order for $50 or more with me and I'll get that to you for free. You can find all of the instructions for this project at bevadams.com and I'd love to be your demonstrator. Talk to you soon. Bye.